Things are getting interesting as we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time around we get the first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra along with the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now our first look is out by the Slash Leaks, where we see the front, back and sides look of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now things are getting interesting, and let me explain why. Well, as per these new images, Galaxy S23 Ultra looks quite similar to Galaxy S22 Ultra, but there are some minor changes we see on the S23 Ultra. First and important one, Galaxy S23 Ultra display. A lot of leaks explain Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with flatter display, but here is how much flat we are going to see. The display is slightly curved, which means we are not getting a flatter display, but this curve is less than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. And the big reason is we are getting a thicker side bezels. And if we look at the sides, S23 Ultra looks much thicker compared to the S22 Ultra. Also, one added thing, Galaxy S23 Ultra rear lenses looks bigger than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. So by adding the bigger lenses, it is confirmed we are getting new 200 megapixel camera on the S23 Ultra. Also, the sides looks quite squared off, which means S23 Ultra looks even thicker. But there's something new packed in Galaxy S23 Ultra that we didn't know yet. Let me know in the comments, did you like the curved display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and what are your thoughts on the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Not just Galaxy S23 Ultra, but we also get the design of both Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. And the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus looks quite similar back design that we have seen on the S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus comes with rounded corners and will come with bigger batteries than the last generation. By adding this new design on Galaxy S23 Ultra, there are some important changes we are going to see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and one among them is LTPO 3.0 display, which will come with 20 to 100 nits peak brightness, 200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this display is 45% more power efficient than the last generation. But doing a less curvy display, Samsung is also going to add a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is harder than the last generation on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, Samsung will use this same glass on the rear camera sensor, so your new 200 megapixel camera will be safe if you drop your phone. Samsung plan to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next. Until then, peace out.